Okay, so the next chapter is the skeletal system. In this chapter, we will learn about the many body system which are present in our body and their functions. But most importantly, we will learn about the skeletal system. First of all, the our body is made up of small cells and the small structural units, and these units are called cells. When these all cells meet together, they form a tissue, and when these tissue mix together, they form an organ, and all organ mix together and form an organ system. So the smallest part of our body is cell. So all these cells, when mixed with each other, they form a tissue. Like blood is a tissue. Like your skin, your bone, all these are different tissues, and when these all tissues mix together, they form an organ. Like heart is an organ. Lung is an organ. So when all the organs of your body mix together, they form an organ system. Okay, so there are different body systems which are present in our body. Like first, there is a nervous system. In nervous system, there are different organs which are brain, nerves, and spinal cord. And the main function of these organs is to control all functions of the body. So nervous system is one of the most important system of your body, which control all the functions of your body. Like suppose I'm holding this pen, you are reading, you are learning something, I'm talking, you are listening. So all these functions are controlled by the nervous system. Okay, and these the main organs are brain, nervous system, nerves and spinal cord. Second important system is skeletal system, which the main organ of this skeletal system is bones. It gives shape to the body and helps in movement. So in my hand right now, there are some bones which are giving a perfect shape to my hand. So these shapes are given to different parts of our body. It is because of the skeletal system. So there are different bones in your skull, in your hand, in your leg. So there are different different bones which actually make, so all these they actually make the framework of your body, and this system is called skeletal system and give shape to your body. Next is muscular system. The main organ of muscular system is muscles. It helps in the movement. So if I'm moving from one place to another, I'm holding a pen, it is because of the different muscles which are present in our body. Next is circulatory system, and the main circulatory system I told you in the first chapter. The whole chapter was all about the circulatory system, and the main organs were blood vessels and heart. I told you about the blood vessels and heart, and the functions of these is to carry food and oxygen to all parts of the body and collect waste materials. So there is RBCs, there is WBCs, there is platelets, and there is a heart. So blood helps in the transportation of food from one place to another, in the transportation of oxygen, in transportation of carbon dioxide, and removal of waste material from our body. So these are the parts of the circulatory system.